So 2006 Honda Odyssey, if your door has no power to it or seems not to have power to it, a good chance it could be the rear door latches. Back in that part right there. Take off the outer cover over the door, and then mine, one of them was broken. Here, this bolt right in there was broken off. And what I did was, I drilled clear through to remove the old piece of bolt down in there. See if I can get a good picture of it here. The bolt went through down there, and I drilled clear through the plate on the front, and then put a machine screw, a tapered machine screw in with Loctite and a nut in the middle here in between. Tightened it down with this part of the bolt sticking up through, so it would still actuate this sensor on top here. Has to actuate the sensor. So the other thing that needs to be done is this point right here needs to be lubricated and freed up. You've got to work it back and forth for quite a while and lubricate it up really well. And then my door started working again. So I just thought that would help somebody else out after I spent a whole day troubleshooting why I had no power. So the bolt goes right through there, and you can mount it right into here. If it's broken off, even if it's not broken off, there's a good chance it's this part right here that needs to be lubricated. It's holding the whole works up. So there you go. Hope that helps.